Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to speak or practice about our next tense, that is present perfect continuous, as I have learned in our earlier videos like present simple tense, the second one is present continuous, and the third one was present perfect. And today we are going to learn about present perfect continuous, the fourth and the last tense of present. It is so in every tense, like in present and past and future, there are four kind of tenses are available structures. That is, first one is simple, second one is continuous, and third one is perfect, and fourth one is the mix of perfect and continuous, that is present perfect continuous. It's in all. So guys, if you didn't watch so far the earlier videos of tenses, so go first watch that videos, then come on this and start to learning and practicing, as I'm going to just a concept that you can learn how and when we can use these kinds of tenses, then it will be helpful to while speaking. We are here for learning or for to improve our spoken English. So somewhere it is needed to work on your grammar, so and most probably on the tenses. If you don't have any ideas related tense, then you are not going to improve yourself furthermore. So guys, try to learn the concept of using tenses while communicating, like as we have told you that Ram am khata hai, then Ram eats mangoes is present. When we listen, when we have to talk about ta hai, ti hai, then we use. And मैं काम कर रहा हूँ, I am working for continuously. So we can understand that yeah, मैं बात कर रही हूँ, I am talking. We can use that kind of continuous. It's the concept we have to understand in our mind, that when we start talking about कर रहा है, रही है, ता है, ती है, and present perfect, चुका है, खा चुका है, जा चुका है, then we have used we have gone, we have eaten. So and present perfect continuous, what we have to talk about, how we can understand that where we have to use, which is yeah. So how can you understand? You have to think about that. First of all, let me clear about the structure, how and what is the formula. So sentence structure like with that: subject plus has or have plus been plus verb ing, and then along with that you have to use for or since. Yeah, in continuous, what is the difference between continuous? As we are going to use मैं काम कर रहा हूँ for present continuous, and for present perfect continuous we are using मैं काम कर रहा हूँ. Then how can we differentiate with twos? That where we have to use I am eating, I am working, and I have been working. How can we differentiate between twos? That where we have to use this kind of sentence, whether we have to use continuous or present perfect continuous, how can we understand? So there is a difference, that present perfect is what you have completed, the work you have completed, for that present that is present perfect. And in continuous, what you are doing right now, going on. And present perfect continuous is also what is going on, and it's more about that for how long are you working. There is a specific time that you are doing that kind of work or any kind of things. If it relates to time, duration, like period of time or point of time, then you can understand that we have to use present perfect continuous. In present continuous, there is no kind of time or duration for how long you are working. So you just use I am eating, I am working. But in present perfect continuous, what you have to think about, that before using, you have to think that with that you have to use for or since. For period of time, and since for point of time. Period of time means for a week, for a month. There is no certainty, means कोई निश्चित समय नहीं है. For that you have to use for, and if you get a point of time, means a निश्चित, a certain time, a specific time, then you have to use since. Like since Monday, since morning, since childhood. So you have a specific time, since 2024, since Monday. So if you have a specific time, then you have to use since, and there is no specific period of time like second, minute, or for week, from for 3 days, for 2 days, then you have to use for. There is no certain fixed time. And keep always in mind, in present perfect continuous, you have to think how and when we have to use. Then there will be a specific time for how long you are working, for how long you are doing any kind. Then you have to use subject plus has, have, and has, have been, verb ing, or has, have. So I am going to give you one example like that. In continuous, मैं काम कर रही हूँ, I am working. But in present perfect continuous we have to use like मैं काम कर रही हूँ, but सुबह से, मैं सुबह से काम कर रही हूँ. If you want to talk, if you want to communicating in continuous, but for a certain time, for a time, within how long or from when, then since when, then you have to use present perfect continuous. Like मैं सुबह से काम कर रही हूँ, मैं काम कर रही हूँ, I am working. मैं सुबह से काम कर रही हूँ, I have been working since morning. When it comes for or since to aid in any sentence, then you have to use present perfect continuous. When you have to denote about time, period of time, or point of time, then you have to use present perfect continuous. And if there is no time boundary, if you are just speaking, yeah, I'm eating, then you have to use continuous. Now you are getting, I think. So this is a concept. Just collect it. Watch more videos about that present perfect continuous. I have given you some concept. Then you can easily understand whether we have to use, where you have to use present perfect and where we have to use present continuous. So guys, one thing is there, and if you use in negative, then subject plus has or have plus not plus been, verb ing. Like मैं सुबह से काम नहीं कर रही हूँ, I have not been working since morning. क्या सुबह से काम कर रही हूँ? Have you been working since morning? And if anyone asking क्या काम कर रही हो, then are you working? But सुबह से, then you have to use have you been working since morning? If there is a time, how long, for how days, for how many, then you have to use present perfect continuous, subject plus has, have been plus verb ing. So guys, it's a concept. Try to grab it. Try to watch more videos about that. Then you will definitely understand, and try to make sentences by using this tenses. Like I have been working since morning, I have been eating for afternoon, or that kind of things, and I have been studying for last 2 weeks. So like that you can make sentences. It will be very helpful in your English learning journey. So guys, try to, and keep in mind that I keep sharing data analytics videos also. If you are guys interested to grow in your career or want to learn some skills related Excel, data analytics, Power BI, or so many, I keep sharing, I keep practicing, and while practicing I keep sharing guys. If you are interested, then try to watch and try to enhance your data analytics word. And if you once learn, then you will be able to make dashboards, and you can deep down, or you can start your career in business intelligence or corporate world. So guys, just try to start. This is the time. Just go one step ahead and start learning journey. I am here, I am practicing and sharing. I am here to help you. Just start. This is the only way you can improve your spoken English as well as your data analytics course, as it is very important nowadays to learn for any persons. If you are beginner, then you can start. So guys, have a concept about present perfect continuous and start making sentences. And yeah, if you practice 1 to 5 sentences and try to make sentences, try to using any kind of things to get habituate of using this sentence, and then you will be able to improve your spoken English. And try to speak for 5 minutes in front of camera. This is the tip from my side. And use any kind of like Cheer Up app or any kind of through which you can communicate with people practically. It will going to a miracle for your spoken English journey. So keep doing this kind of things, definitely you will improve. So thank you, bye bye, see you in my next video.